'cause nobody does it like you. I like the way that you move. That's why I never go through with leaving you. Everybody says
Hari ni kita nak pergi ke KL. Ya, kita. Okay. So, hari ni kita akan ke KL untuk pergi birthday treat. Kita akan pergi Korea dan macam-macam lagi tempat. Stay tuned. Bye. Macam ni?
Untuk minda anak anda, dapatkan FWD Mindro KD.
Sampai ke Aquaria. Wow. Asam pedas. Wow. Hebat. Aku malas. Ay, bergerak setempat je. Ni kenapa ni? Ni kenapa?
Adalah Harley Quinn.
Deposit. Vlog. Ya Allah, biru sangat dah macam Smurf. Really at the yang bahagian glow in the dark. Hai.
Ya, masakan.
Rubbish and the ocean, okay? Or the plastic, okay? Because this jellyfish is like a plastic, so senator will come.
Kita got my Sloopy for the hot day. Kita pergi ke Damascus.